This was supposed to be another failed potato video because of heavy rain and my second time trying to grow a potato. Unfortunately, they did not make it. If you may remember, the first potato, I just threw it in the soil and it did not make it. The second potato, which is this one, it started rooting and I put it in the soil and it started raining heavy. And today I have my third potato here. While I was trying to uncompact the soil, while I was removing these ones, the first potato survived. Yes, that was my first potato that I thought it did not survive. It died and is now growing. I'm going to try to replant the second potatoes because already there's roots, but by the look of things, they did not make it. But follow for more for such videos.